So this is the Power Blue, I think it's called. Yeah, the Power Blue. This is the Power Blue, and it's part of the inspiration pack from you know, the Pharrell NMDs. So there was 4 shoes that came out today. It's called the inspiration pack, and there's different colors. There's the white, there's the black, and there's like a sky blue looking thing, and then there's this blue, and I guess it is called the Power Blue. That's what I saw online anyways. Yeah, I think it says something about inspire and something else, I can't remember, but yeah, it does say inspire. It's all written in like Chinese like font or writing. So yeah, but one of them does mean like one of them means is inspire. So right, anyways, just getting into the crepe, you know, the usuals. Like, it's got the embroidery, which is pretty clean, and what I like of this whole inspiration pack is the whole colorway. But this one, I don't know, there's too much going on. There's pink, there's orange, then there's blue. It's kind of too much for me, but I just got it just because, you know, for the video, and also like just see what it's like in person or whatever not. However, I don't know, I might be getting rid of this or might give it out to like family members or something. But anyways, it does come with a blue lace. The lace on it right now is a black one, but it looks like it does like, it's like a reflective lace as well. That's what it looks like with all the black things around it. But I'm not too sure about that. I might have to test that for myself. But then it does come with an extra lace, the blue ones. And yeah, it just, you know, the standard like Pharrell NMDs really. Like, you're gonna see a close-up of it anyways soon. But yeah, there's nothing too like crazy about it. It's just that what, like, and I know these are sitting in store, I think anyways, it's sitting in store. However, the colors are really good in terms of like, that's something I'll wear. Like the Billionaire Boys Club, you remember I said I wasn't too keen on it, but it just pops up too much because of it pops a lot because of the colors on it. It's got different colors on the Billionaire Boys Club one, if you remember. But this one is just very simple and plain. But maybe not this one, but like the whole inspiration pack, I have all of them, and I need to chop this up into 4 different videos. Like, I'm even dreading the edit, but it's one of them ones where I started it already, so you just gotta go on with it. But yeah, as of right now, we're just gonna head on into the whole, like, you know, B-roll section and just close up and on feet review kind of thing. So yeah, let's just head on into that. Right, so if you enjoyed what I put together, the whole B-roll section and just the video in general, and I don't know, maybe you just feel the way I speak or whatever not, like, just smash that like button and subscribe if you're new as well. But yeah, and leave a comment for me, like, just because it does motivate me. Like, it makes me go, like, that's the reason why I'm going out to buy shoes and, like, you know, doing the most just to get all of these shoes and just doing videos. Because now I am enjoying it, hence why I'm doing the whole cinematic Jones and whatever not. But it's like, with the feedback, it does motivate you even more. Like, you should understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. So just don't forget to like, subscribe, and then, you know, comment. Just, you know, follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm gonna start posting heat, because it's just about time. I'm gonna put the whole thing here somewhere. So yeah, anyways, like, look out for the other ones, for the other shoes. But yeah, for this video though, I'm out.